हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू स्टडी दुनिया। आज इंडियन हिस्ट्री का मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन करेंगे। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, गुप्ता डायनेस्टी फाउंडेड बाय ऑप्शन 1 श्री हरिगुप्ता, ऑप्शन 2 श्री गुप्ता, ऑप्शन 3 समुद्रगुप्ता, ऑप्शन 4 चंद्रगुप्ता। राइट आंसर ऑप्शन 2 श्रीगुप्ता। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फाउंडर ऑफ तुगलक डायनेस्टी। ऑप्शन 1 कुतुबुद्दीन तुगलक, ऑप्शन 2 गयासुद्दीन तुगलक, ऑप्शन 3 मोहम्मद बिन तुगलक, ऑप्शन 4 नाजिरुद्दीन। राइट आंसर ऑप्शन 2 गयासुद्दीन तुगलक। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नॉलेज ऑफ मैजिक फॉर्मूलाज। ऑप्शन 1 अथर्ववेद, ऑप्शन 2 सामवेद, ऑप्शन 3 ऋग्वेद, ऑप्शन 4 यजुर्वेद। राइट आंसर ऑप्शन 1 अथर्ववेद। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, राजा बिंदुसार बिलोंग्स टू व्हिच डायनेस्टी। ऑप्शन 1 गुप्ता डायनेस्टी, ऑप्शन 2 मौर्य डायनेस्टी, ऑप्शन 3 नंद डायनेस्टी, ऑप्शन 4 पाल डायनेस्टी। राइट आंसर ऑप्शन 2 मौर्य डायनेस्टी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, in period of which dynasty it is called golden age. Option 1 Pala, option 2 Maurya dynasty, option 3 Gupta dynasty, option 4 Nanda dynasty. Right answer option 3 Gupta dynasty. Next question, Harappa was situated in the bank of ऑप्शन 1 दया, ऑप्शन 2 महानदी, ऑप्शन 3 रवि, ऑप्शन 4 नोन ऑफ। राइट आंसर ऑप्शन 3 रवि नदी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हिच रूलर हैव अष्टप्रधान। ऑप्शन 1 शिवाजी, ऑप्शन 2 अकबर, ऑप्शन 3 बाबर, ऑप्शन 4 ऑल। राइट आंसर ऑप्शन 1 शिवाजी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सूरत सेशन टेक्स इन। ऑप्शन 1 1907, ऑप्शन 2 1906, ऑप्शन 3 1905, ऑप्शन 4 1909। राइट आंसर ऑप्शन 1 1907। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मुस्लिम लीग हेल्ड इन। ऑप्शन 1 1906, ऑप्शन 2 1905, ऑप्शन 3 1907, ऑप्शन 4 1909। राइट आंसर ऑप्शन 4 1909। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, Who is the last ruler of Nanda dynasty? Option 1 Das Nanda, option 2 Mahapadmananda, option 3 Dhanananda, option 4 None. Right answer option 3 Dhanananda. Next question, New Stone Age is also called option 1 Neolithic, ऑप्शन 2 Paleolithic, ऑप्शन 3 Mesolithic. Option 4 known. Right answer option 1 Neolithic. Next question. Swadeshi movement starts in option 1 1905, option 2 1906, option 3 1907, option 4 1909. Right answer option 1 1905. Next question. Partition of Bengal is option 1 Lord Dufferin, option 2 Lord Minto, option 3 Lord Chelmsford, option 4 Lord Curzon. Right answer option 4 Lord Curzon. Next question. Pala dynasty was founded by option 1 Gopala, option 2 Dharmapala, option 3 Jayapala, option 4 Sripala. Right answer option 1 Gopala. Next question. Who transferred capital Calcutta to Delhi? Option 1 Lord Minto, option 2 Lord Dufferin, option 3 Lord Harding, option 4 all. Right answer option 3 Lord Harding. Next question. Who is the first Viceroy of India? Option 1 Lord Mayo, option 2 Lord Curzon, option 3 Lord Canning, option 4 Lord Ripon. Right answer option 3 Lord Canning. Next question. Nanda dynasty was situated by option 1 Dhanananda, option 2 Mahapadmananda, option 3 Dasnanda, option 4 none. Right answer option 2 Mahapadmananda. Next question. In which year Parliamentary reform held? Option 1 1906, option 2 1905, option 3 1906, option 4 1909. Right answer option 4 1909. Next question. Veda means first option lesson, second option knowledge, third option Shruti, fourth option all. Right answer option 2 knowledge. Next question. What is the capital of Mauryan dynasty? Option 1 Bihar, option 2 Patliputra, option 3 Jharkhand, option 4 none. Right answer option 2 Patliputra. Next question. Who is the founder of Mauryan dynasty? Option 1 Chanakya, option 2 Mahapadmananda, option 3 Chandragupta, option 4 none. Right answer option 3 Chandragupta. Next question. Who is the first emperor of India? Option 1 Dhanananda, option 2 Mahapadmananda, option 3 Dasnanda, option 4 none. Right answer Mahapadmananda. Next question. Rigveda has dash mandala dash humans. Option 1 10 mandala and 1024 humans. Option second 10 mandala and 1020 humans. Option 4 14 mandala and 1028 humans. Option 4 12 mandala and 1025 humans. Right answer option second 10 mandala and 1028 humans. Next question. Battle of Second Panipat held in. Option 1 1556. Option second 1761. Option third 1576. Option 4 1526. Right answer option 1 1556. Next question. Harappa was discovered by. Option 1 Daya Sahani. Option second Dayaram Sahani. Option third Dayaram. Option 4 all. Right answer option second Dayaram Sahani. Next question. Battle of First Panipat held in. Option 1 1526. Option second 1556. Option third 1576. Option 4 1761. Right answer option 1 1526. Next question. Who built Grand Trunk Road? Option 1 Sasaram. Option second Shershah Suri. Option third Gopal. Option 4 Akbar. Right answer option second Shershah Suri. Next question. Founder of Mughal Empire is. Option 1 Akbar. Option second Babur. Option third Humayun. Option 4 Shahjahan. Right answer option second Babur. Next question. Who is Napoleon of India? Option 1 Sri Gupta. Option second Chandragupta. Option third Sri Harigupta. Option 4 Samudragupta. Right answer option 4 Samudragupta. Next question. Mesolithic age is referred to which age? Option 1 medieval age. Option second middle stone age. Option third old stone age. Option 4 all. Right answer option second middle stone age. Next question. Second battle of Panipat fought between. Option 1 Hemu and Akbar. Option second Hemu and Babur. Option third Akbar and Lodi dynasty. Option 4 Babur and Lodi dynasty. Right answer option 1 Hemu and Akbar. Next question. Home rule movement starts in. Option 1 1915. Option second 1916. Option third 1917. Option 4 1918. Right answer option second 1916. Next question. Lodi dynasty established by. Option 1 Sikandar Lodi. Option second Ibrahim Lodi. Option third Bahlul Lodi. Option 4 Babur Lodi. Right answer option third Bahlul Lodi. Next question. Father of local self-government. Option 1 Lord Ripon. Option second Lord Ulgin. Option third Lord Mayo. Option 4 Lord Canning. Right answer option 1, Lord Ripon. Next question, identify the biography of Babur. Option 1, Tuzuki Hindustani. Option 2, Tuzuki Baburi. Option 3, Tuzuki Babarai. Option 4, all. Right answer option 2, Tuzuki Baburi. Next question, who is famously known as Vikramaditya? Option 1, Samudragupta. Option 2, Chandragupta Pratham. Option 3, Skandagupta. Option 4, Chandragupta II. Right answer option 4, Chandragupta II. Next question, first battle of Panipat fought between option 1, Akbar and Lodi dynasty. Option 2, Babur and Lodi dynasty. Option 3, Hemu and Akbar. Option 4, Hemu and Babur. Right answer option 2, Babur and Lodi dynasty. Next question, Champaran movement starts in option 1, 1918. Option 2, 1917. Option 3, 1916. Option 4, 1915. Right answer option 2, 1917. Next question, Kheda movement starts in option 1, 1916. Option 2, 1918. Option 3, 1915. Option 4, 1917. Right answer option 2, 1918. Next question, Cripps mission starts in option 1, 1939. Option 2, 1940. Option 3, 1941. Option 4, 1942. Right answer option 4, 1942. Next question, August Declaration held in option 1, 1916. Option 2, 1917. Option 3, 1918. Option 4, 1919. Right answer option 2, 1917. Next question, Rowlatt Act option 1, 1916. Option 2, 1917. Option 3, 1918. Option 4, 1919. Right answer option 4, 1919. Next question, who is the leader of non-cooperation movement? Option 1, Lord Curzon. Option 2, Gandhi. Option 4, Simon. Option D, Wavell. Right answer option B, Mahatma Gandhi. Next question, Jallianwala Bagh massacre starts. First option, 15 April 1919. Second option, 14 April 1919. Third option, 13 April 1919. Fourth option, 19 April 1919. Right answer option 3, 13 April 1919. Next question, non-cooperation movement starts in option 1, 1920. Option 2, 1921. Option 3, 1922. Option 4, 1923. Right answer option 1, 1920. Next question, Swaraj Party was formed by option A Mahatma Gandhi, option B Rash Bihari Bose, option C Motilal Nehru, option D B.R. Ambedkar. Right answer option C Motilal Nehru. Next question. Pune Pact held between dash and dash. Option A Gandhi and Nehru. Option B Jayaprakash and Nehru. Option C Mahatma Gandhi and B.R. Ambedkar. Option D Mahatma Gandhi and Subhash Chandra Bose. Right answer option C Mahatma Gandhi and B.R. Ambedkar. Next question. Chori Chora incident held in option A 13 January 1922, option B 18 February 1922, option C 5 February 1922, option D 15 February 1922. Right answer option C 5 February 1922. Next question. Which movement of India was led by Ali brothers? Option A non-cooperation, option B Khilafat movement, option C Chamiran, option D all. Right answer option B Khilafat movement. Next question. Khilafat movement started in option A 1920, option B 1921, option C 1922, option D 1923. Right answer option A 1920. Next question. During which Viceroy Simon Commission come India? Option A Lord Mountbatten, Lord Mountbatten, option B Lord Mayo, option C Lord Irwin, option D none of these. Right answer option C Lord Irwin. Next question. Gandhi-Irwin Pact started in option A 1930, option B 1931, option C 1932, option D 1933. Right answer option B 1931. Next question. Who is the first civil servant of India? Option A G.K. Gokhale, option B A.O. Hume, option C Subhash Chandra Bose, option D Satyendranath Tagore. Right answer option D Satyendranath Tagore. Next question. Who is the first president of INC? Option A Umesh Chandra Banerjee, option B G.K. Gokhale, option C Rash Bihari Bose, option D Ambedkar. Right answer option A Umesh Chandra Banerjee. Next question. In which round table Gandhi attended this conference? Option A first round table, option second round table, option third round table, option fourth round table. Right answer option B second round table conference. Next question. Pune Pact held on option A 1930, option B 1931, option C 1932, option D 1933. Right answer option B 1931. Next question. Swaraj Party formed in option A 1920, option B 1921, option C 1922, option D 1923. Right answer option D 1923. Next question. Who is the political guru of Mahatma Gandhi? Option A Umesh Chandra Banerjee. Option B G.K. Gokhale. Option C Rash Bihari Bose. Option D B.R. Ambedkar. Right answer option B G.K. Gokhale. Next question. Who is the Grand Old Man of India? Option A Dada Bhai Naroji. Option B G.K. Gokhale. Option C Rash Bihari Bose. Option D B.R. Ambedkar. Right answer option A Dada Bhai Naroji. Next question. INC established in option A 1985, option B 1885, option C 1886, option D 1890. Right answer option B 1885. Next question. Who is the founder of INC? Option A Ani Besant, option B Umesh Chandra Banerjee, option C A.O. Hume, option D all. Right answer option C A.O. Hume. Which woman is the first INC President of India? Option A Ani Besant, option B Umesh Chandra Banerjee, option C A.O. Hume, option D all. Right answer option A Ani Besant. Next question. Identify who is moderate. Option A Bal Gangadhar Tilak, option B Bipin Chandra Pal, option C G.K. Gokhale, option D Lala Lajpat Rai. Right answer option C G.K. Gokhale. Next 3 extremist member. Next question. Who is famously known as Punjab Kesari? Option A Bal Gangadhar Tilak, option B Bipin Chandra Pal, option C G.K. Gokhale, option D Lala Lajpat Rai. Right answer option D Lala Lajpat Rai. Next question. Iron Man of India. Option A Mahatma Gandhi, option B Sardar Patel, option C Subhash Chandra Bose, option D all. Right answer option B Sardar Patel. Next question. Who is the frontier Gandhi? Option A Samudragupta, option B Abdul Ghaffar Khan, option C Dada Bhai Naroji, option D Rabindranath Tagore. Right answer option B Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Next question. सारे जहाँ से अच्छा was written by option A Bahaman Shah, option B Muhammad Ghori, option C Gandhi, option D Muhammad Iqbal. Right answer option D Muhammad Iqbal. Next question. Who is first Governor General of India? Option A Lord Mountbatten, option B Lord Mayo, option C Lord Canning, option D Lord William Bentinck. Right answer option D Lord William Bentinck. Next question. Who abolished Sati system? Option A Lord Mountbatten, option B Lord Mayo, option C Lord Canning, option D Lord William Bentinck. Right answer option D Lord William Bentinck. Next question. Who had given the slogan Delhi Chalo? Option A Mahatma Gandhi, option B Subhash Chandra Bose, option C Lala Lajpat Rai, option D all of the above. Right answer option B Subhash Chandra Bose. Next question. Who is the founder of Arya Samaj? Option A. Raja Rammohn Roy. Option B. Atmaram Pandurang. Option C. Swami Dayananda Saraswati. Option D. Ani Besant. Right answer option C. Swami Dayananda Saraswati. Next question. Who is the founder of Brahmo Samaj? Option A. Raja Rammohn Roy. Option B. Atmarang Pandurang. Option C. Swami Dayananda Saraswati. Option D. Ani Besant. Right answer option A. Raja Rammohn Roy. Next question. Who is the founder of Prarthana Samaj? Option A. Raja Rammohn Roy. Option B. Atmarang Pandurang. Option C. Swami Dayananda Saraswati. Option D. Ani Besant. Right answer option B. Atmaram Panduram. Next question. Who is the president of Theosophical Society? Option A. Raja Rammohn Roy. Option B. Atmaram Panduram. Option C. Swami Dayananda Saraswati. Option D. Ani Besant. Right answer option D. Ani Besant. Next question. Founder of Ramakrishna Mission. Option A. Swami Dayananda Saraswati. Option B. Swami Vivekananda. Option C. Swami Narayan. Option D. None. Right answer option B. Swami Vivekananda. Next question. Henry Vivian Dergio founded in. Option A. Satya Sodhak Samaj. Option B. Arya Samaj. Option C. Ram Mohan Roy. Option C. Young Bengal Movement. Right answer option D. Young Bengal Movement. Next question. Jyotiba Phule founded in. Option A. Satya Sodhak Samaj. Option B. Arya Samaj. Option C. Ram Mohan Roy. Option D. Young Bengal Movement. Right answer option A. Satya Sodhak Samaj. Next question. Battle of Plassey held in. Option A. 1755. Option B. 1756. Option C. 1757. Option D. 1758. Right answer option C. 1757. Next question. The two famous book of Gandhi is. Option A. Young India and Navdesh. Option B. Young India and Navjivan. Option C. Young Army and Navjivan. Option D. All of the above. Right answer option B. Young India and Navjivan.